Hello friends, how are you? Yeah, I have come up with a new topic here to show you the fastest mobile phone or fastest smartphone running in the current year to 2020. Okay, so the meaning of the fastest mobile phone means that it depends on its capability, it depends on its RAM, it depends on its speed, it depends on the memory storage, etc. and etc. Okay, so let me start with the showing you the latest mobile phone smartphones who are running fastest nowadays. The speed is the most important thing in all the mobile phone, I would say, and the speed depends on the RAM, how much GB of RAM it has. Okay, so the more is the RAM, more is the fastest your mobile phone. Okay, so these are the five phones I'm going to discuss here, including Apple, Samsung, OnePlus, so on. Let me start with the Apple phone. Apple iPhone 11 Pro. So the latest Apple iPhone is also the fastest phone you can buy, powered by the Apple A13 Bionic chip. It is all not only the fastest phone in the market, but it's faster than the Android phones also. It works on the iOS software here. You can check it out. This is the iOS software working here. It is having the OLED screen using XDR extreme dynamic range with the brightness level of 800 nits. Okay, it has water resistance, as all the phones has water resistance, nothing new on this, but it can work on the 18-watt fast charging chargers. Okay, the cameras also is very good, it's very fantastic of the camera point of view also. So this was a Apple iPhone 11 Pro, which looks in this way. These are the available in different colors, that is gold, space gray, silver and midnight green, which is very wonderful colors. It looks very nice. You can see here there is a three camera point here with the flashlight. So it comes with the three cameras and the four variant colors. Okay, this was about Apple iPhone. Next one is coming number fastest phone number 2 is Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra grabbed the eyeballs with a 100 multiple X zoom. See, this zooming camera is very much important. So how much you would use or how much you would zoom out and zoom in the cameras with the help of the cameras, that is much important in any of the phones. So mostly when you buy the phones, you keep a focus on the camera, on the how much of megapixel it has. Okay, so this has a 100 multiples of zoom here, but that is not only the worthy feature, there are the many other features in it. It is the fastest phone also. So it contains 12 GB RAM. I was saying that only that it should contain more is the RAM, more is the fastest phone here. So it also has Samsung latest Ionics 990 octa-core processor. It has speed of up to 2.7 gigahertz. So the speed is 2.7 gigahertz as compared to nowadays in the laptops we see the same speed here. So it is also built in Android 10 latest version of Android. It's smooth multitasking, great video streaming and as well as gaming experience. Those who are interested in gaming can go with this phone here. Okay, the largest screen here is 120 hertz. Its refresh rate it has. The refresh rate is so good, so nice. 120 hertz, stunning of QHD and plus 3200 into 1440 pixels resolution it has. Its battery power is very good. That is a 5000 megampere hours battery, which can whole day work on it. So if you are a game lover, if you are love to play games, you can opt for this phone. It's very nice. So these are the variants of Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, which contain these colors variants. So the storage it is shown here 8 GB and 12 GB. RAMs and internal storage it contains 128 GB, and you can expand it to the 1 TB using the micro SD card. It's look very nice colors and designs, and it's fantastic. Next one is the OnePlus 70 Pros. OnePlus 70 Pro is one of the top phones already. We know from the last many years onwards, OnePlus has been the greatest phone. It is the users will be having the speed here because it always focus on the speed only here. So users will be finding the speed of 120 12 GB of RAM here. Sorry, and paired with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. It contains a screen of 3220 into 1440 pixels resolution with 90 Hz refresh rate. Though the battery is of 4085 milliamperes hours battery, it's very nice for the whole day working here with a nice charger available. But largest speed is result of the two things here. The speed depends on the ultra fast UFS 3.0 storage and Oxygen OS processor here. So it contains Oxygen operating system here. The device also excels in gaming, so it's also very good for the gaming here if you are a game lover. So this is again the stylish phone of the OnePlus 70 here, look and appearance, which contains 6.67 inch of display and 1440 into 3120 pixels. Okay, so it is an AMOLED display here, very nice look it has, it's very beautiful. Moving on to next one, that is the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, which I have already shown in the first one. Similar to the first one, only the Apple iPhone 11 Pro, but it's another edition. It is iPro Max Pro Max. In this iPhone 11 Pro Max is Apple's best iPhone, I can say you, which you can opt for. So the iPhone is Apple's best phone. The Apple 11 Pro Max gives the user the same smooth and efficient A13 Bionic chip. If I go with the first one here, so this also contains A13 Bionic chip only. It is also the not in the fastest phone as compared to the Max also, Pro Max. Okay, the screen, it contains 6.5-inch XDR resolution. The screen is the size allows for the better cooling A13 chip inside the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It also helps in the top performance hours after hours. So the performance doesn't decrease here if you work for the long hours. The bigger size of the Max also allows us a bigger battery. So the battery is very nice. It has heavy usage of battery here. So we can also, if I suggest you can go to the website of the Apple iPhone, and you can check it out, other features, specifications and features of the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. But this has been the fastest phone in the year of 2020. These are the color variants of the Apple iPhone, the look and design here. It also contains 3 cameras, built-in back cameras. So next one is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus comes with a powerful combination of 2.7 GHz Exynos 89825 octa-core processor. Again, this has octa-core processor and 12 GB of RAM here. So you can do multitasking, gaming, and all what else. It's very nice. It also contains gaming and efficiently of same stream efficiently, so it can work very smoothly. It has vapor chamber cooling system here. That means it cools very faster. It has separate cooling system here. It has improved AI and enhanced NPU that can churn the smoothest possible gaming experience here. You can feel the experience of running the games in your mobile phone. You can play the games very smoothly with no any problem, no any hangout or any hangs or any getting stuck off your phone. There is no any problem with this phone. There's a big battery of 4300 mega ampere hours. It's good enough for the day long usage here. It comes with a 25 watts fast charger, so it charges very faster. I hope it charges between 10 to 15 minutes of full battery. So it comes with the S Pen here. There's a pen also available below the mobile smartphone. It comes to QHD plus OLED panel. It has, the screen is very nice with the OLED display, and it comes with the S Pen also. Okay, so as every Samsung it gives you the pen available with some of the Samsung giving you the pen working here. So you can see here the pen available with the here. So below that you will be having a pen marker pen. We can use it to display, to write on the display phone, and you can use it easily, smoothly and easily. Okay, so this was the top 5 phones which I was telling you here. So the bonus tip I can say is the OnePlus 7T is one of the top phones launched in the last 2019. But Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is also extremely the fast phone. Apple iPro Max is also the Apple's best phone in this Apple company. So all the phones available in this top 5 fastest phone are the beautiful, wonderful and very nice fast moving phones they are. As I already told you, the speed of the phone depends on the RAM capability. How much is the RAM, more is the speed here, and more you smoothly you can run your phone. So I would suggest you, the last thing is you go and visit the official website of their own companies of the phone and check their specifications properly, and then you go ahead with buying those phones. So what are you waiting for here now? Select your choice and enjoy the best. So I would also say you, for checking of your prices and other things, you can go online websites of Amazon and Flipkart, compare yourself, compare the phones, and then select your best phone. Thank you for watching, all of you. Do subscribe the channel.